and welcome to Cocktails with Drew. I'm your host, Drew. Today I'll be showing you how to make a whiskey sour. So that involves whiskey. So we're going to start with the Russells. We're going to pour that into the, whatchamacallit. And we'll pour that into the, whatchamacallit. So then afterwards we're going to take the, whatchamacallit, and we're going to, be quiet. We're going to make some more lemon juice. See, I like this, whatchamacallit, because it's actually colored the same color as a lemon. So if I misplace it, I'm like, where's that, thing that squeezes? Oh, it's actually the same color as the lemons. There it is. It's easy to see in the drawer. So now that we've done that, we're going to try and remember how much lemon juice we do. 3/4 of an ounce. Remember. And we're going to put that in as well. And then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of the simple syrup. There we go, 1/2 ounce. So, sorry, let's bring this over here into the shot. And then we're going to want to do egg. I know this grosses a bunch of people out, but to the people who it grosses out, you're uncultured and you don't know what you're talking about. So deal with it. Most of the drinks you probably already have at a cocktail bar have had egg in it. You just don't realize it because you're not observant and you're more than likely an idiot. So we're going to shake that. Dry shake first. Did my Steve the bartender impression there. Great cocktail vlog on YouTube if you want to check them out. Make sure to use all your hands for the ice during COVID, and I haven't washed my hands in maybe 3.5 months, so we're going to be wanting to do that when we serve this to one of our guests or pretend guests that we have over to our house. I actually haven't seen anyone in about 3.5 months as well, so I'm starting to go insane, hence the reason I'm making these videos. So now what we're going to do is we're going to want to take a chilled glass out of the freezer, and we're going to want to pour this concoction into that chilled glass. Wow, look at how chilled that is. All right. So let's make sure all this stuff is organized. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, is it going to be too much? Is it going to be too little? Looks like it's perfect. Oh my God. Again, I've done it. That's why you watch this video. To see how it's done, then we're going to take a cherry. We're going to take a cherry. There we go. Skewer. Lick our fingers that we haven't washed in months. Place on the glass. And there you have your whiskey sour. Cheers. That is not good. Oh! The reason why it's not good is because we forgot the bitters. You're going to want to spill them all over the table when you pour it in. And before you drink again, you're going to want to try and clean up and then fail at that too. So, cheers.